Next topic, compound microscope. Samyukta Sukshmadarshini. Draw the neat label diagram of a compound microscope and explain its working. It gives an expression for its magnification. ఒక సంయుక్త సూక్ష్మదర్శిని పనిచేయ విధానాన్ని చక్కని పరసాయంతో వివరించండి. దీని ఆవర్ధనానికి ఒక సమాసాన్ని రాబట్టండి. కాంపౌండ్ మైక్రోస్కోప్ సంయుక్త సూక్ష్మదర్శిని. Compound microscope consists of two convex lenses. The lens facing towards object is called objective. The lens facing towards object is called objective. The lens facing towards eye is called eyepiece. సంయుక్త సూక్ష్మదర్శినిలో రెండు కుంభాకార కటకాలు ఉంటాయి. వస్తువు వైపు ఉండే కటకాన్ని వస్తు కటకం అంటారు. కంటి వైపు ఉండే కటకాన్ని అక్ష కటకం లేదా నేత్ర కటకం అంటారు. The focal length of objective f0 is less than focal length of eyepiece. The focal length of objective is f0. The focal length of eyepiece is fe. Here f0 is less than fe. f0 is less than fe. Next working. పనిచేయ విధానం. The object is placed outside the focus of objective. First, the object is placed outside the focus of objective. The objective forms the image at A dash B dash inside the focus of eyepiece. Okay. It is real, inverted, and magnified. This image is object to our eyepiece. Eyepiece works as simple microscope. It forms the image at A double dash B double dash. This is the final image. The distance from final image to eyepiece is capital D. Once again, the object is placed outside the focus of objective. The objective forms the image at A dash B dash. That means it forms inside the focus of eyepiece. This image is object to the eyepiece. Eyepiece forms image at A double dash B double dash. It means it is at a distance capital D from eyepiece. The distance between image, final image, and eyepiece is capital D. వస్తువును వస్తు కటకం యొక్క ప్రధాన నాభికి అవతల ఉంచవలెను. వస్తువును వస్తు కటకం యొక్క ప్రధాన నాభికి అవతల ఉంచవలెను. ఈ వస్తు కటకము ప్రతిబింబాన్ని ఏ డాష్ బి డాష్ వద్ద ఏర్పరచును. ఈ ప్రతిబింబం నెట్ట నిలువుగా, పెద్దడిగా, తల్లకిందులుగా ఏర్పడును. ఈ ప్రతిబింబము నేత్ర కటకానికి వస్తువు అవును. ఈ నేత్ర కటకము ప్రతిబింబాన్ని ఏ డబల్ డాష్ బి డబల్ డాష్ వద్ద ఏర్పరచును. తుది ప్రతిబింబానికి నేత్ర కటకానికి మధ్య దూరము క్యాపిటల్ డి. ఈ నేత్ర కటకము సరళ సూక్ష్మదర్శిని వలె పనిచేయను. దిస్ ఈజ్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ సింపుల్ మైక్రోస్కోప్. అవర్ ఐపీస్ ఈజ్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ సింపుల్ మైక్రోస్కోప్. Next, magnification of compound microscope. Samyukta Sukshmadarshini ఆవర్ధనం. Denoted by letters. The magnification of the magnification of compound microscope. M is equal to the product of magnification of objective M0 and eyepiece. M. That means M is equal to M0 into ME. The magnification of compound microscope is equal to the product of products of magnifications of objective and eyepiece. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. From diagram, tan beta is equal to here is angle beta. Tan beta is the opposite side. This is H. Here H. This is also parallel to AB. That's why it is H. H by and the opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side means F0. H by F0. And again tan beta is equal to here. Tan beta is equal to opposite side H dash divided by L, where L is the distance between foci of objective and eyepiece. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. H by F0 is equal to H dash by L. That means H dash by H is equal to L by F0. H dash by H means M0 is equal to L by F0. Since we know that M0 is equal to H dash by H. Magnification of objective is equal to H dash by H. Height of the image by height of the object. Equation number 4. Magnification of eyepiece. ME is equal to, we know 1 plus D by FE. This is equation number 5. Magnification of eyepiece. ME is equal to 1 plus D by FE. Substitute m naught value from equation 4 and me value from equation 5 in equation 1 we get, that means m is equal to m naught. M naught means h dash by h. In that into me means 1 plus d by fe. 1 plus d by fe. If the image is at infinite distance, m is equal to h dash by h into d by h dash by h into d by f. That means h dash into d by h into f e. That means f suffix c. This is our answer. This is our answer. The image is at infinite distance. M is equal to h dash into d divided by h into f suffix e. This M means magnification of compound microscope. संयुक्त सूक्ष्मदर्शिनी యొక్క ఆవర్ధనం m is equal to h dash into d divided by h into f suffix e. That means fe.